Keencut SteelTrak is the market-leading cutter for rigid and semi-rigid materials, including composite panels. It quickly and easily cuts through heavy-duty materials, making it ideal for many different industries. And it comes with a cutting blade, scoring blade, and composite cutting wheels as standard. The SteelTrak will efficiently cut through PVC foam board, corrugated plastic and foam-centered board up to 13mm thick, aluminium composite panels up to 4mm thick, or MDF up to 3mm thick. The C2 cutting head for SCP cutting reduces off-cut bend and easily cuts steel and aluminium composite panels without creating sparks or dust. Designed for a busy production environment, the SteelTrak is built from durable anodized aluminium. The steel bearing system guides the cutting head up and down the machine to ensure perfect blade control and exceptional reliability, even with heavy everyday use. And, as a manually operated cutter, the SteelTrak produces accurate, smooth edges without the noise, dust and static buildup associated with powered cutters. All the standard options are mounted permanently in the cutting head, so switching between the different cutting options is fast, easy and safe. Aligning materials for an accurate cut is simple. You just use the pressure-sensitive clamping system and the sightline strip. You will see precisely where the cutting line will be for all fitted blades. The optional composite board V-grooving tool can be added in seconds. The SteelTrak can be fitted in almost any workshop, either mounted to save space or in the freestanding configuration. As you would expect from the manufacturers of the world's finest cutting machines, Keencut offers a comprehensive 5-year guarantee on all SteelTrak parts, making the Keencut SteelTrak the future-proof investment for any busy production facility.